Intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Right now in the eyeshadow and messing it up. So today I am going to be creating a look using this Glamlite Ice Cream Dream Palette. How cute is it? Look at the sprinkles. And I've stuck my nail in about 3 different shadows, so just excuse that. But I know I'm not going to do a pink look because I just did one. So we'll just see how things progress. I think I want to do blue. I haven't done a blue look in a minute, so yeah, we're going to do blue. But for a transition color, I want to use this ColourPop eyeshadow in Say I Do. It's just kind of like a pinkish, just real neutral light shade. And I'm going to take a Sigma E40. This is a really good transition color for like blue and purple looks. I don't know what was up with my computer or my camera, but it wasn't connecting to the program. I had to completely uninstall everything and reinstall it. I've just been working on it for like an hour and a half. And I've just worked the past 3 nights, so I was getting a little frustrated. And I just have my eyes primed with some concealer. Okay, so even though I'm not going to do a pink look, I do want to put some pink in the crease. So I'm going to go in with Bubblegum. And this is a Luxie tapered blending brush. And put that in the crease. So I've been playing around with this palette I've had it for about a week now, and so far I'm happy with it. There are a few shades that I wish were a little bit more pigmented, like the light blue and purple. That's one of the reasons I didn't want to use that as a transition shade. It just takes, you just have to keep building it up, but I don't have time for that right now. And then go back in with my E40 and blend it out. I'm going to use Raspberry. This deep, like, purplish pink right there with this Real Techniques packing brush.
Better off. I am wicked, you're insane. But I wouldn't have it any other way.
I mean, it's going on so much lighter than it looks in the pan. Oops, oh, my brush just went in the yellow. Damn. I'm gonna go in with my JACLYN Hill Volume 2 palette and use Lolli Mama right here.
Better off. And we can.
Into the crease.
Better off, better off.
There's quite a bit of fallout though. But I mean, the packaging is so adorable. It kind of reminds me of Too Faced. Like, the packaging is the most adorable packaging I've ever seen. And the shadows aren't horrible, but they're not the best I've ever used either. Okay, now I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue and put that on my lid. go in with Cotton Candy. This really pretty blue right here. Well, that shows up really well. So there's a group of like smaller beauty YouTubers, and we have like a group chat on Instagram where we talk, you know, about like possible collab videos and, you know, just YouTube life and regular life. And I actually saw this palette when I was watching one of the girls in the group's video. It's really glam, and she was using this palette, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need that in my life. So I ordered it, and I love my sweet. So like after working 3 nights, I always have to order my Yogurtology. But I was reading all the names on this palette, and I was like, I had an idea that I thought would be really cute. So my idea was make a list of, like, you know, popular desserts like strawberry shortcake, blueberry cheesecake, lemon meringue pie. I forget, I made a whole list, and then we number them, then use like a random number generator to pick a number, and whatever dessert you pick, you create a look inspired by that dessert. I thought that would be super fun. This would definitely be like a cotton candy type of look. Now I'm gonna take Black Cherry, which is like this dark pink fuchsia, and a pencil brush. This is a Morphe 149. And I'm going to put that in the corner. Make a V and then blend it in with that lid shade.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Better off, better.
I'm gonna go in with Dance Party from the JACLYN Hill Volume 2. See if I can build up that corner a little bit darker.
We're a perfect match, pulling punches. We're toe to toe, we're always on the road. We're so...
Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some Fix Plus and back in with our lid shade, Cotton Candy. Okay, highlight the brow bone. I think I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit and use Blue Ice.
I am crooked, you're clean cuts. I'm wide-eyed, you're...
Okay, so this one is in Neon Pink. There we go.
We can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together better off. And we can.
Okay, I'll let that dry and then I'll probably add another layer. In the meantime, for the lower lash line, I'm going to use this Velvet Smoothing Blue eyeliner.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Let me try some of this Hard Candy Soft Glide Eyeliner in Wink Wink. And for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with Raspberry.
Either way, if we're knocked out, we'll go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches, we're toe to toe, we're always on.
I'm gonna throw on a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna use my Tarte Tarteist. For lashes, I'm going to be using these Flutter Intoxicating lashes, but first I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. So I will be back and we'll figure out what we're doing for lip. So for lip, I lined my lips with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil in Double Team. And for lips, I used this NYX Butter Gloss in Vanilla Cream Pie. I love the names of all these butter glosses. And this is the completed look. I feel, oh, like I just realized now how well it matches my dress. Like I knew it like kind of matched when I put the dress on, but now looking at it, like especially up top, it's pink and blue, and that's exactly what I have on my eyes. So this is my tie-dye eye look using the Glamlite Ice Cream Dream palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.